Hi, Patty. We are on a walk in Minca on a tour, about to go to a coffee plantation.
And 75 meters high. We're in Minca area that is in 700 meters, and Minca means meeting point in the Wiwa language. We have 4 indigenous communities that live in this region, and they belong to the Tairona family. These are Wiwas, Kogis, Arawaks, and Kankwamos. All of them preserve their language, tradition, and culture.
Our guide Andrea was fantastic. She told us a whole bunch about the local area, its history, and its importance to the indigenous people. We continued up the mountain and finally made it to the coffee plantation, owned and operated by a local farmer. As we walked into the area, a toucan flew in out of nowhere and began to jump around, pecking at people. And then another one flew in. This one was much more inquisitive and enjoyed pecking at people's things. He even got super close to us a few times. We couldn't tell if they were wild toucans or not, but then Andrea scooped one of them up and informed us that they were the pets of the farmers and they were super friendly.
Coffee has been one of Colombia's main exports since the early 1800s, but this was so much better than having a cup from Starbucks or Juan Valdez. The farms and farmers here in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta highlands produce their goods using sustainable practices. These small batch beans need to be triple certified in that the coffee is organic, pesticide-free, and isn't farmed in ways that are harmful to the surrounding environment. The trip is wholly worth getting your shoes and socks wet and muddy to see an organic coffee farm in the middle of a lush rainforest. The owners were very welcoming, and our tour guide was very knowledgeable on the sorting, skinning, and roasting process of these organic coffee beans. So we're just going to try our first Santa Marta Minca Colombian coffee. It's really good. It's really like, complete, homey. It doesn't taste burnt at all. It's just,
and I give you this little gift.
It's like biting into like fresh French bread. It's just like, oh, it's so good. And it smells like Nana and Papa Cazella's house too. Good roast coffee in the morning. And Fiona, who does not like coffee, is going to try hers.
When in Rome, right? Or in this case, Minca. So I put a crap ton of sugar in it. And it's not bad.
Yep.
Like, I wouldn't, want to have it all the time. But if I put more sugar in it, I think I'd like it even
She
more.
poured a bunch of molasses basically in there.
I'll drink it. third time we've taken off our shoes to get into a water. Uninformed beforehand. I mean, maybe if we'd read more reviews, we would have known that. But yeah, I'm soaked up to my thighs in jeans. But hey, it's fun.
Yep, having a great time in the rainforest.
Mwah.